We're gonna solve these two problems with two different approaches, and if you want to go to a specific part, you can use the time codes or chapters in this video. And if you want to learn other important ideas, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in the description. Also, I leave homework in the end of this video. Okay, part 1 problem. This problem A is a real number such that a to the 6 minus a cubed is 2. Find a. We can say a to the 6 is a cubed to the 2. Why? Because a by power rule, a to the m to the n equals a to the mn. So we can write it like this, minus a cubed equals 2. Now we can use changing variable and consider a cubed equals b. Or for example, we can say it is equal to x. So it will be x squared minus x equals 2. Now from here I want to solve it with two ways. Solution 1. First identity, and it's so much obvious. A minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab minus b squared plus b squared. So if we apply this to cover x squared minus x, I can write what squared? Okay, for covering x squared and minus x, we can place x minus half. Then look, it will be x squared minus 2 times this minus x plus 1 over 4. So I should subtract 1 over 4. It will be 2. And then we can also, in second solution, we use quadratic formula. So x minus 1 half squared equals, if we add 1 over 2, 1 over 4 to both sides, it will be 2 plus 1 over 4. And it will be 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 over 4. Now in next step, we can take a square root. If a squared equals b squared, then you can conclude a equals plus minus b. So here we can say x minus half equals the square root of this plus minus square root of this, which is 3 over 2. So we add 1 half to both sides, then it will be x equals 1 half plus minus 3 over 2. And it will be 4 over 2 or negative 2 over 2, which will be 2 or negative 1. If we check 2 for this part, x squared. 2 squared, 4 minus 2, 2, negative 1 squared. 1 minus minus 1, 2. So, okay. X was what? A cubed. So, x is 2 or negative 1. So, for this one, a is cube root of 2. And for this one, a is negative 1. So, we found two answers for a. Now, let's solve it by applying quadratic formula. By applying quadratic formula, it was solution 1, solution 2. Here, if we apply quadratic formula, let's say it is what? It is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Then x equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And here we can say, okay, x squared minus x is 2, so x squared minus x minus 2 is 0. If we apply quadratic formula, it's negative negative 1 plus minus square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times a is 1, c negative 2 over 2a, which is 2 times 1. Now let's try to simplify this. X then equals 1 plus minus 1 plus 8, which is 9 over 2. So it's 1 plus minus square root of 9, which is 3 over 2. 1 plus 3, 4 over 2, 2. 1 plus minus 3, negative 2 over 2, negative 1. So this one, x is this, and the rest will be same as previous solution. We can say a cube is 2 or negative 1, and a is cube root of 2 or negative 1. It was first problem. Now let's try second one. So pause the video and again you can solve it by applying quadratic formula and also without that. Try this one again first on your own. Okay, solution 1. I said when a squared equals b squared, we can conclude a is plus minus b. So here, x squared minus 5 equals plus minus 4. So we can conclude if we add 5x squared, it's 5 plus minus 4. So 5 plus 4, 9, or 5 minus 4, 1. And it says how many different numbers, real numbers, satisfy the equation. So here we can conclude what? We can conclude x squared equals 9 or x squared equals 1 from here. Again, if we apply this, x equals plus minus 3, and from this one, x equals plus minus 1. And if you check here, it will be okay. Plus minus 3, 9, minus 5, 4, 4 squared, 16, plus minus 1, minus 5, negative 4, plus minus 1 squared, 1, minus 5, negative 4 squared, 16. So there are, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 answers. This solution is easier for this problem, but if you want to use quadratic formula, for quadratic formula, we can do that, but this one is a bit harder. For example, you can say, okay, we consider x squared minus 5 equals y, so y squared equals 16. And then you say, okay, y squared minus 16 is 0. We can also factorize. We can say y minus 4 times y plus 4, 0. Or we can say y plus minus 4, and the rest will be same. Also, you can apply quadratic formula. Let me tell you a homework. Try to solve this. X squared minus 5 squared minus 3 squared equals, for example, we can say 100. And then how many x's are there? And x is a real number. Try to solve this problem. Try to solve this one and comment your answers right below this video. And as I said, if you want to learn other important ideas, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in the description. Thanks for watching this video.